Should I buy or sell Alibaba? The report for Alibaba was first published on our website Monday, January 9, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since December 16, 2022, our system ranks Alibaba as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 5.243. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 27.7% since we first told you to buy Alibaba 15 days ago. This is an average return of 1.85% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Alibaba, our last headline reads, Alibaba stock price up 3.19% on Monday. The Alibaba stock price gained 3.19% on the last trading day, Monday, January 9, 2023, rising from $107.40 to $110.83. It has now gained 6 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.62% from a day low at $108.12 to a day high of $113.11. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 25.99% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 21 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 42 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $4.62 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $138.70, and the lowest price was $58.01. Right now the price is 20.09%, or $27.87, below 52-week high, and 65.29%, or $208.49, below all-time high October 27, 2020, where the price hit $319.32. The stock lies in the upper part of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $111.14 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 40.26% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 13.78% and 40.65%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 27.88% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between minus 71.22% and minus 33.51%. This equals a price between $31.89 and $73.69 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Friday, November 18, 2022, Citigroup set price target to 144. On Friday, November 18, 2022, Truist Securities set price target to 120. On Friday, November 18, 2022, Benchmark set price target to 180. On Friday, November 18, 2022, HSBC set price target to 124. On Friday, November 18, 2022, Mizuho set price target to 155. From analysts, Alibaba stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Alibaba. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Alibaba stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $99.42 and $88.54. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, October 24, 2022, and so far it has risen 75.5%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 53 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 38 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 36 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 28 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 22 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Alibaba. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $103.92 and $87.56. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Alibaba finds support just below today's level at $103.92. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $87.56 and $83.81. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $4.99 between high and low, or 4.62%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 5.38%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Alibaba. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Alibaba currently has a price-earning ratio of 127.86. This is an extremely high price-to-earnings ratio and could mean that a company's stock is overvalued. These kind of price-to-earnings ratios are typical for tech companies or companies that have extreme market potential. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released February 23, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $1.77. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Alibaba finds first level of support at $103.92, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Alibaba is buy. Our recommended stop loss is $107.08, minus 3.38%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The RSI 14 is 81 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 52 days ago. Is Alibaba stock a buy? Alibaba holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying says, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 10th, we expect Alibaba to open down $0.143 and start trading at $110.69. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to